Hi guys, this should be the last one in the series of the Thames and Kosmos remote control machines animals. It will be the 8th one, which is the scorpion. So we've done the Tyrannosaurus, done the elephant, done the rabbit, done the pterosaur, done the penguin, done the orangutan, and done the crab. When I say this should be the last one, I might go back and redo the orangutan because his arms kept falling off when he was going along. And since then, I've started wiring the pieces together to stop them coming apart. So it might be fair to go back and give him another go with his arms wired in place so they can't come loose. You could glue them together, but then obviously you won't be able to take it apart again. And some of the bits you don't want to glue because they've got to rotate. Anyway, we will now do the scorpion. I've taken the elephant apart, which was the last one. So we have a box of bits. I'll put that on the floor and we'll follow the instructions. We need 2 pieces like that. 1, 2. Well, let's just open this out. Right, we need 2 pieces like that. 2 pieces like that. Not that. That one's different. Although they look the same, it's got the hole filled in on the bottom. It's just coming on to rain outside, so it might get noisy in here. We'll soon find out, won't we? Right, 1 in there, 1 in there, 1 in there, 1 in there, 1 in there. Okay, that's those 2 done. 2 of these. Black bits. Second hole down. Two of them. Next, this bit. We need a piece like that. A couple of black bits. Right, 1 like that. And like that. Right, that's the tail. That way round. That. It is coming on to rain out there. I don't know if you can hear it on the microphone. Right, hole A. That one goes that way round. Like that. And this side. And they've got to go to the front. I didn't do that bit, did I? One of them. Right. I don't know if you can hear me now. That's got very noisy outside. That's it. What's going on there? Right. That's okay. the one we want. Right, so I think we're done. Right, we'll put him down on the floor. Yeah, he works. Probably adjust his tail a little bit so he slops around. I think that's what's supposed to happen. It's supposed to flip from one side to another. No. There we go. That's better. There we go, that's what it should be doing. But it goes out of alignment after a while because it's just a little bit loose. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.